Hey folks, and welcome to Summit 2023. My name is Daniel Myers, and I'm coming to you live from the showroom floor here in Vegas. And today I'm really excited because I'm sitting down chatting with Jeremy Plichta, Senior Director of Engineering at FullContact. Jeremy, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Daniel. I'm really excited to be here. This is a great event. It's a lot bigger than last year for one thing, and it's just wanted to say thank you to Snowflake for the partnership you've provided. Our engineering team has been working closely with you guys for the past 18 months, really, with the native application framework, and I'm excited for what's to come.
Beautiful. And you know, it's awesome to see how Snowflake Summit continues to grow year after year. So I want to learn more about FullContact. Tell me in your own words, what does FullContact do?
Sure, we are a privacy-safe identity resolution company that helps our customers do three main things. We help them recognize their customers from all the different sources they're coming from. We help them unify that data. I mean, part of Snowflake is to bring data from all of different sources so we can unify that. And then we help them reach those customers and message them by providing additional digital identifiers where you can deliver to those customers.
So you mentioned that you have a Snowflake native application. Tell me, what is that and what does that do that's different from before you had that native app?
Sure, as to part of the Summit keynote today, they announced about 30 different application providers, and we are one of those. We've worked very hard to be part of that. So what that means is our ability to resolve people and unify can happen natively in Snowflake. A customer's data does not have to leave, and they can take advantage of our graph we've built up, deterministic graph over 10 years, and we don't have to worry about that leaving, our intellectual property. We can both benefit.
So that's pretty powerful there, where your customers have the programmatic guarantee that their data doesn't leave their environment, but they still get all the benefits and value of FullContact. So tell me more about, why did you choose to build a native application, and and what's in store for your customers as they start to use this?
Sure. So we decided to look into building on Snowflake because of the collaboration that you introduced with Secure Shares earlier on, and your commitment to privacy and security. Those are values that we both share as a company. And so we looked at that as being a great platform where we could bring our data and services to even more people, and we just saw it as the solution that really made sense for both of us.
That's fantastic. So what would you say today is something that your customers should get really excited about 6 months down the line? How are you leveraging AI or ML in your product today?
Yeah, a lot of our products are a little bit more deterministic right now. We're not doing a lot of machine learning at this moment, but there are problems that we can solve as a single vendor for people, where right now they have to go to lots of multiple different sources. So being able to recognize who's on your website and if they're in your customer recognition file, and how do I market to them? Those are traditionally you go to 3 or 4 different vendors for that, and we can provide all those services without your data leaving Snowflake. And I think that's an exciting aspect for a lot of customers.
That simplicity and turnkey nature really seems like something that brings a lot of value to your customers. So what are you most excited about from the announcements made at Summit? Obviously you're part of the native app launch.
Yep.
What have you been most excited about at Summit this year?
I mean, I think the thing that was recently announced, and this is very early on still, is the Snowpark containers, is just what you can do with that, and they showed that in some of the demos, is going to completely just transform the way Snowflake compute's being used. It's not just a data warehouse anymore. I think it can turn into a general purpose compute platform with your data there, and it's all secure. I'm excited about it.
I could not agree more. I think that's going to be a game changer for the entire industry. How does FullContact plan to leverage Snowpark containers?
I think we're still brainstorming. We haven't been part of the private preview yet, but we do want to leverage Streamlit a lot more.
Yep.
And then we have some other applications that we host in-house currently, some tools that help you understand match test tools and reporting tools, and those could be ported very easily with Snowpark containers instead of going to stored procedures and UDFs. It's just take what we already have in a container, and deploy it on Snowflake.
That's amazing. So, Jeremy, I want to say a big thank you for joining me here live in Vegas at Snowflake Summit 2023. Thanks for joining me.
Well, thank you so much for having me, Daniel. I'm excited for everything to come.